We are also set to formally welcome and induct the Board of Trustees of the CCCI Bogo City Chapter, as well as formally present 20 new member companies as new additions to the CCCI family. Let's give each other first a round of applause for that. The Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. J. Valles.
Good evening. By the authority vested in me by the Constitution and bylaws of the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I now call this general membership meeting and induction of new members and launching ceremony to order. At this point, we are now call and ask Assistant Board Secretary Mr. Edwin Ortiz to acknowledge our distinguished guests and declare a quorum.
A champion in the real estate industry, the master of land himself, no other than Landmaster President Mr. Joe Soberano. Next in the list is one of Cebu. Good evening. And we'd like to acknowledge also our partners.
Again, good evening, everyone. May I acknowledge our honored guests and our speaker for tonight, family friend, Mr. Joe Soberano, sir, ngayong gabi. Of course, Ms. Melanie Nang, Area Vice President for the Visayas of PCCI, Engineer Albert Uy, my kumpare, PCCI Regional Governor for Central Visayas, our 7th ARD, Assistant Regional Director, Evelyn Nacario Castro. Our partners, sponsors for tonight, Dr. Salamat, and current Board of Trustees, as well as the past presidents and past trustees of the Chamber, the Board of Trustees of CCCI Bogo, government and media partners, members, ladies and gentlemen, good evening again. It is always a challenge to speak after dinner, but I hope I have you for a little and obstacle, but also obstacles directly impacting the competitors such as DOST, DTI, and the Department of Agriculture, BFARC, has concretized our efforts to creating a thriving agriculture and fishery industry, as well as augmenting the livelihood for locals. By working together, we aim to build inclusive and resilient coastal communities. We have also empowered these communities through various training and livelihood programs that help them prosper in the fishing industry and contribute to the development, food security, and sustainability. Let me share with you, because you know this one, we are quite, I am quite passionate about this because I've seen the fisher folks. No? So our projects that were implemented include the following: the using of fiberglass reinforced plastic boat in Bantayan. So we have donated through our partners some boats in Bantayan. The use of wireless radar system to augment monitoring of marine protected areas in the islands of Bantayan. Access to market of woven and handmade products from the Women Association of Basawon, Solana and Bantayan. So there's a display of their products there. No? The recycled plastic bags. A Fisher Folk Association. His name is Mr. Baguio. No? Macho Baguio. Macho na Baguio pa. No? You know, they were able to set up this fish pen. Usually it takes more than a month to build this. But with leadership and passion of ordinary people who have exercised leadership qualities, they were able to finish this in 7 days. No? So if we give these people a chance to learn and with hand-holding, I think they can do wonders among themselves. No? So we're also teaching them bangos deboning and smoked fish processing, and involving the solo mothers also of Cordoba. Food safety, handling, and financial literacy and management for fisher folks, and related value chain education program for the fisher folks, for why are they important? Because the food we eat comes from these people. Next, commitment to the chamber movement, having witnessed its potent force in the development of the economy and society. So I would like to request now our Exicom and Board of Trustees, as well as the Cebu Businessman champions and members, to please stand to be acknowledged. Please stand. DOT, Exicom. Kamana akong isulti ganihan. Ako lang yung report para nila. I would like to thank you guys for your passion and dedication to...
Gentlemen, please, I hope you guys are ready. You are going to be touching the screen, okay? Literally, you will be touching the screen. So please position yourselves. Ready? Position yourselves, please. Everybody in the audience, you're going to count down with me. We will start from 3 and going down to 1. All right. Now, everybody, let's all do the countdown in 3, 2, 1, go! There you have it. The Invest to Prosper in Paradise is now officially launched. Let's give each other a big round of applause, please. Next, we are thrilled to launch the Membership Privilege Card and the CCCI app. The initiative is all about giving our members the best possible experience with exclusive benefits and seamless connectivity. As we unveil this, I invite once again everybody, all of our vice presidents once again, to be ready to touch the screen, all right? And once again, everybody, you're going to do the countdown with me from 3. Everybody, 3, 2, 1, go! There you go! There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Membership Privilege Card and the CCCI app are now live and officially launched. This is your gateway to... Now, finally, we are proud to launch an initiative close to the heart of Cebu's business community. Chamber Time is Cebu on Time. This advocacy is about transforming the culture of Filipino time and shifting the perception to a mindset where Filipino time means being prompt and prepared. Now let's all admit, some of us are pretty much very guilty with the Filipino time, yes? Yes, yeah, I know. I'm one of them too. Signify punctuality, encouraging individuals to arrive at least 10 minutes before scheduled meetings and to end meetings according to the agreed time. Okay? Mind you, once again, 10 minutes prior to the meeting and to also end the meeting at the agreed time. By minimizing delays, we also enhance productivity and business interaction. All make history. Once again, President Jay with all our vice presidents, please be ready to touch the screen once more as we mark the beginning of a new era for Cebu. And everybody, please join them on the platform.
Thank you very much.
Once again, we'd like to thank our President Jay and our
Daghang kayong salamat, Noy. Poster na sa kuha nila, Noy. Well, my friends of the chamber were in the table together. Mention anybody.
Tonight, I am honored to welcome 20 new members to the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry. But only 6 managed to arrive. So therefore, the rest, we will induct them in our next General Membership meeting. But I think I could blame it only to the long weekend. Lucky 6 to come forward, and you will be inducted. First, to be inducted is the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry Bogo City Chapter, represented by Ms. Rosalinda Oporto Domingo. Please come forward. Consulting and Solution, represented by Mr. Marlon Simisa. Please come forward. Represented by Mr. Benjamin Villacorta III, Senior Manager. Next is NHEDEMAG. Gusto ko basa ni NHEDEMAG. P. Philippines Incorporated, represented by Dr. Christian Sheldon. Country Director. 6 Corporation, Mr. Willie Chavez, CEO. Next, Legacy Financing Corporation, represented by Ms. Myrna Flor Montaire, Account Officer. Sorry, 7 days now. Upper Class Collection Corporation, represented by Ms. Chrislyn Barba, Office Manager.
Thank you, Pete.
Members of the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry. To the inductees, can you raise your right hand and repeat after me? I can state your name and position. Representing the name of your company. Having been admitted as a member of the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully abide by its Constitution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, everybody. Bogo City Chapter, we have Miss Rosalina Domingo. For Finance and Administration, Stella De La Rama. Vice President for External Affairs and Relations, James V. Masson. Vice President for Membership Promotions and Relations, Jonathan Dagley. Vice President for Business Development and Management Service, Blake Gong. General Manager, Vice President for Business Development and Management Service, Cham Hermosa. CCCI Bohol City Chapter Executive Committee members. President once again, Rosalina Domingo. Secretary, Lucia Nailon. Treasurer, Stella de la Rama. Officers for Trustees and Advisors, Honorable Luis Asiento. Trade Sector, Athena Vina Buxton. Service Sector, Stella
hand and repeat after me. May I also request our members and guests to please rise as we induct into office our CCCI Bohol City Chapter. Your company name. Having been admitted as a member of the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully abide by its Constitution and bylaws, uphold the dignity and integrity of this organization, policies,
the past presidents that are here tonight, please join our new.
Time to go home. I want to express my gratitude to everyone that's here right now tonight, from all the chambers of commerce in Cebu, in Talisay, and our newly formed Bohol, and also the new members that are here. Thank you very much for being present and showing your active participation and valuable contribution in the chamber movement. Guest speaker, none other than our Sir Joe Soberano, took home the bacon because he always manages to impart trinkets of knowledge hidden in his speech. I can share two. First, family sustains family. Your Cebu Chamber of Commerce family with a lead agenda sustains its family members, you, our members. Next, go beyond regulation compliance for the greater good. As part of our lead agenda, we would like to launch Investing in Cebu. And thus, as Sergio has mentioned, well, EJ, thank you. Powering SMEs through financing. Thank you, Mata Technologies. This is a really cool name to be able to say Mata, which means the eyes of real estate. Thank you to Qualcomm Philippines, making lives better. To the IT group, of course, I see Oracle NetSuite here. By Hotel, as what Edwin mentioned, the best hotel in this part of the island. And of course, my very good friend, Topline Business Development and Light Fuel. To the Lim siblings, Eric, Bridget, and Mikey, thank you. And guys, do not go home because they are rattling off 100 liters of fuel per winner. Good for 10 winners on the condition that you can carry them home tonight. Thank you again. Collective achievement for world-class Cebu with world-class enterprises, business leaders, and world-class people. See you all on December 6 for our 4th General Membership Meeting. Daghang salamat, padayon Cebu.